Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is another car from many years ago, a 1959 Cadillac Series 75 formal limousine. It had the divider window in it. You guys can see that there. All the glass, or I should say the divider glass, was in good shape, so that was a blessing. These are the only pictures I can find of the car. Unfortunately, this was the day that I found it and the condition in which I brought it home. And then, of course, I proceeded to clean it up and then resell it. If I remember correctly, I believe this car went to a gentleman in Australia, and he was going to do a full restoration on the car. But anyway, as you can see, it was just kind of sitting in like a back lot of like a storage unit or something, and the car desperately needed to be saved, brought home, and given new life again. So anyway, guys, thank you as always for watching my channel, and I just wanted to share another car with you guys, say hi. We had a lot of fires around us lately, so haven't really done any outside work. The air has been really bad. So anyway, I hope everybody is well out there, and I'll see you guys in the next Cadillac adventure. Have a great day, everybody. Hey guys, so another little part that I forgot. This was a neighborhood kitty that we had around our place, and for some reason he just loved to sit on top of this car. I guess he knows class when he sees it. And this was the day that it left. The gentleman sent a flatbed for it to take it down to the docks, and as you can see, 59 limousines just barely fit. Okay guys, once again, have a great day.